Hi, and welcome to the complete guide to lean controllers in iOS development. This is one of the only nice pictures of me. My name is Mohammed Azam, and I go by Azam. I worked as a lead developer for many Fortune 500 companies, making them their next big mobile applications. And I have also published a dozen of my own personal apps to the App Store. You can actually go to the App Store and search for Mohammed Azam, and you'll find a lot of apps created by me. I also developed the vegetable tree gardening app, which was actually featured by Apple on multiple occasions. And I do speak at many conferences a year and also author a lot of articles. You can check out my articles on Code-Magazine. So I also have a lot of Udemy courses which are available. One of them, the latest one, is Mastering Server-Side Using Vapor. This is an exciting course because Vapor technology and server-side Swift is brand new, so it will get you started and up running with creating your own backend services using Vapor. If you want to learn about MapKit using Swift language, then look no further because you can master everything you need to know about MapKit development using my course, Mastering iOS MapKit using Swift language. Stickers was introduced in iOS 10, and there's a course I created for creating stickers in iMessages apps. It's an awesome course, and it will let you know everything you need to know about creating stickers in iMessages. If you are interested in quickly learning Swift, then look no further. You can check out my Swift 2.0 course, which is called Swift 2.0 Quickly. It is a complete free course, so go ahead and enroll and enjoy the Swift courses. Of course, my course has most of the great reviews. As you can see, I have a lot of students, and a lot of students have to say a great thing about my courses. Now, these students, of course, have really enjoyed the course and got a lot out of the course. And these reviews are, of course, I'm getting every single day. Positive reviews, positive emails. This is why I do it. I love it. The goals of this course is to help you organize your code into reusable components so that you can use the code in different parts of your application. If you are suffering from massive controllers, meaning you have a lot of code in your controllers, then this course is going to help you convert your massive controllers into lean controllers. It will also, of course, help you to become a much better developer. Overview of the course. Prototyping the app. We will start by creating a brand new app in Keynote, just the prototype of course, and then we will jump into Xcode by creating an application from scratch. Of course, we're going to put everything inside our Vue controller to make it ugly, and then we will start our refactoring process. We will separate out the user interface components and also data providers and data sources into concrete, and then later on into a more generic providers and data sources which can be used in any application using any model data. At the end, of course, we will convert our massive controller into a lean controller. I really hope that you enjoy this course. I have developed a lot of time developing this course, and it has an intermediate and advanced concepts that you can use in your application. Thank you, and once again, enjoy the course.